This simple kid's storybook has generated over $1.4 million in passive income. In today's video, I'll show you how you can do the exact same with just your laptop and ChatGPT. Step 1. Finding a great topic for your storybook. Now, you don't want to choose something boring because who wants to read a boring story? So I asked ChatGPT to generate a few topics for me, and it came up with The Brave Little Dragon. This sounded exciting, so I decided to go with it. Just remember, whatever topic you choose, don't make it boring because you want people to actually buy these books from you. Step 2. Come up with a main idea for your storybook. So I asked ChatGPT for more details about the story, and it came up with an amazing idea. The story is about a small dragon who embarks on a journey to prove his bravery and saves his village from danger. This idea seemed to be really exciting, so I decided to go with it. Step 3. Create the story outline. So I asked ChatGPT to do it for me, and it generated the following results. Chapter 1, The Little Dragon. Chapter 2, A Rocky Start. Chapter 3, A Helping Hand, and so on. It also generated brief details for each chapter. Now that you have an outline, you can move on to step 4, which is to create the actual story. So once again, I asked ChatGPT to write a rhythm story based on the first chapter, and it came up with a pretty good story. Just make sure the story that ChatGPT comes up with is actually good. If not, you can regenerate the results. I did the same for all the chapters and got a complete story that can potentially make us thousands of dollars in passive income. And the best part is, I didn't even write a single line myself. Mind-blowing, isn't it? Step 5. Create the illustrations for your storybook. Normally, creating illustrations for a storybook would cost anywhere from tens to thousands of dollars per illustration. But we're not going to spend that kind of money. This is where AI art generators come in handy. I used an AI art tool called Midjourney to create top-notch illustrations for free. You will have to create an account in Midjourney to proceed, so you can watch my other video as a guide for using Midjourney. I will add a link to it in the description of this video. Now just copy the text from the first paragraph of your story and paste it into Midjourney after typing in Imagine. The tool will now generate 4 images based on your text. If you don't like them, you can change the text a little bit and regenerate the images, and if you are happy with any of the images, you can upscale it by clicking on these buttons. You can also generate variations of any of these images by using these buttons just below the previous ones. After upscaling an image, you can open it in a new tab and then download it to your computer. Like that, you have created an illustration for the first paragraph. Now let's create the illustration for the next paragraph. So head over to Midjourney, and before pasting the next paragraph, you should paste the link to the previous image. That way, Midjourney could use that image as a reference so that we could get the same style of image. Now the AI will generate the illustrations, upscale the one that you like, and download it. Repeat this process for every paragraph until you have all the illustrations ready. Step 6. Combining the story and illustrations to create the storybook. We're going to use Canva to create the storybook. Just search for Storybook in Canva and create a blank project. Upload all the illustrations to Canva and then drag the first image to the page to set it as the background. Now paste the first paragraph of the story on top of the illustration and adjust the size and font according to your liking. Then duplicate the page, replace the background image with the second illustration, and paste the second paragraph. Repeat this process for all the pages, and don't forget to add headings in the beginning of each chapter. After finishing all the pages, create a cover page, index page, and an end page for your book. Now you can download your book as a PDF print to your computer. And like that, we now have a completed storybook that could potentially make us thousands of dollars. Just before we head to the last and the final step, if you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to smash that like button. Not only does it show us some love, but it also boosts our video to reach even more people. Finally, step 7, publish your storybook on Amazon and start making passive income. Now, I won't be able to go through the whole process of publishing the book on Amazon in this video, but don't worry, I've got your back. You can check out this video on how to publish your book on Amazon and start making some serious cash. So go ahead, give it a try, and let me know in the comments how it goes. Until next time, bye.